Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about how to use pad feature in CATIA. For that, first of all, go to Start, select Mechanical Design, and then select Part Design. From here, we can select any plane. I select here XY plane, this plane, then select here Sketch. Now we draw here sketch. I draw a rectangle here, select rectangle, and draw a rectangle here. Come back from this sketch, select Exit Workbench. The first feature is pad. Select it. First limit. First is type. We will put here some limit. Length of the extrusion, that is 20 mm. You can change it from here or type here any length. I type here 28. See preview. This is 20 mm. Length extruded here. From here you can select pad type. First is dimension. We type here length. This is dimension. Next is up to next. If here is some other surface or some other plane, then we select up to next. It will be pad up to that surface. Next surface. Up to last. If here number of surfaces or planes or any body faces, then we select up to last. Then it will be pad up to last surface or plane. Up to plane. If there is some plane present here, then we select up to plane. If there any surface present here, then we select up to surface. If we want to edit this sketch, then select here sketch, and then you can edit this sketch. Press Ctrl plus Z for undo this sketch. Cancel it, and it will be back in pad window. Select Exit Workbench, and the next is mirror extent. From this plane, it will be create a same mirror. See here, uncheck it, mirror extent. If you want this pad in a reverse direction, then select here reverse direction. Select preview. See here, the pad is in reverse direction. Again select reverse direction, select preview, and here is the option thick. Select it. First limit, that is 28 mm distance. If we select here second limit, it will be pad at in reverse side. Select it 0. Now select here sketch. If you want to edit sketch, then select here. Here is thickness. First is thickness. I select here 2 mm. Select preview. See here, this is the 2 mm thickness of this wall. Thickness 2. I select here 1. Select preview. See here, the 2 mm thickness in this side and 1 mm thickness is this side. If we need outer thickness, then here I select 4 mm preview. This side, this is 4 mm thickness, and inside it is 2 mm thickness. Uncheck the thickness. Select preview. For zoom in and zoom out, press and hold scroll button. You can click on left click button or right click button, and then drag the mouse upside or downside for zoom in and zoom out. Select here OK. If you want to rotate it, press and hold scroll button and right click button and move the cursor. It will be rotate. Next is in pad. Next is drafted pad. For that, we undo this sketch. Press Ctrl plus Z for undo it. Now here, see here, this is a rectangle on sketch. I select this drafted pad. Select this sketch. From here, first is length. This is the length of the pad. I type here 30 mm. This is 30 mm. And here select limit. In limit, you have to select a plane which on which we create a sketch. I select XY plane, so I select this plane. And here is the angle. You can type here any angle. Suppose I type here 11 degree. See preview. And here is the lateral radius. Increase it. This is this radius. First limit radius. In this side, I select here 10 mm. See preview. See here, this radius is changed. If you want drafted pad in reverse direction, select it. See preview. Again, reverse direction. See preview. Select OK. This is drafted pad. And next is the multipad. For that, we have to create a sketch on this part. I select this face and here select sketch option. Now I draw a rectangle here and a circle here. Exit from this sketch. Select exit workbench. Now here select multipad. For that, I select this rectangle and here give it dimension. Suppose I type here 10 mm. See preview. This is 10 mm extrude from here. Now I select here second this circle. I type here length 20 mm. See preview. This is 20 mm length. This is multipad in which we apply different pads in one sketch. This is the tutorial for pad. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain Pad.